Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Salesforce Service Cloud. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now we need to go to our setup menu. By clicking here on the gear icon, we will find this menu. We click on setup and from here we need just to search in the quick find section or bar for service. And here we will find the service setup assistant. By clicking on it, we will be able to set up the Service Cloud for our Salesforce. We need just to enable it, and from here, you will need just to clean up the custom profiles. And basically, now all we need to do is to check the status, and it is already in progress. And from here, we will be able to start our service assistant. So here, as you can see, you will need just to wait for a few minutes until the service is on. Now we need only to click on get started, and basically now you will need just to add the support email, and you will need just to click on complete. After you add, let's generate an address. So let's add support, for example, just for an example.com, and I'm going to generate address. And basically you will need to be able to have an address here. And it seems that I've now after we tick complete, you will need just to click on complete, and now you have your service cloud that has been set up. Now you can go to your service cloud basics and you can learn more about your service cloud. Also, you can add your users to your cloud and customize your case status. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.